Here is a step-by-step guide to fix Windows error code 0xc000e, which usually indicates a problem with the boot configuration data or a missing or corrupted system file. Error code 0xc000e appears when Windows cannot find a required device or boot file, often due to a corrupted BCD, damaged system files, misconfigured BIOS or UEFI, or, drive connection issues. Turn off your computer completely. Disconnect the power cable. Open your computer case or access panel. If you're on a laptop, just inspect the drive access area. Reseat the hard drive's SATA or power cable by disconnecting and reconnecting it. Close the case and restart your PC. Insert a Windows installation USB or DVD. Restart the computer. Press the key for the boot menu, often F12, SC, F10, or Del. Choose the USB or DVD to boot from. Wait for the Windows setup screen. On the setup screen, go ahead and select your language, then click Next. After that, click Repair your computer down in the bottom left corner. Next, choose Troubleshoot. Now, click on Command Prompt. In Command Prompt, you'll want to type these commands one by one. bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/scanos, and bootrec/rebuild BCD. If you're asked Add installation to boot list, just type Y and press Enter. Still in Command Prompt, go ahead and type BECDedit. Now check for the correct partition, which should say partition equals C:, the path to winload.x, and the system root path. If any of those look incorrect, you'll want to use these commands: bcdedit/set curly bracket default curly bracket device partition equals C:, bicdedit/set curly bracket default curly bracket os device partition equals C:, bicdedit/set curly bracket default curly bracket path \windows\system32\winload.x, and bcdedit/set curly bracket default curly bracket system root \windows. Next, head back to the Advanced Options menu. Choose Startup Repair. Select the operating system, which is usually Windows 10 or 11. Now just wait a bit while it tries to fix the issue for you. If nothing else has worked, restart your PC. Enter BIOS or UEFI, which you can usually do by pressing Delete, F2, or Escape during startup. Then look for an option like Load Setup Defaults or Reset to Default. Save and exit BIOS, and then try booting again. Just a couple more tips for you. If you're using a dual boot or a custom OS setup, incorrect boot settings can definitely cause this error. And if the system partition has changed, maybe because of cloning or disk changes, the BCD might need manual correction using DiskPart.